What's going on, people? My name's Jack. Welcome back to my channel. I produce daily content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe now if that sounds interesting to you. Today we're taking a look at the free mobile video editing software called VMaker. Shout out to VMaker. Shout out to everybody over at VMaker. I should have uploaded this video about a week ago, but I was at my mom's house for Christmas and a whole bunch of delays happened. So we're uploading it now. Shout out to everybody over at VMaker. Sorry for the delay on this video. Without further ado, we're gonna do it. So, essentially, download VMaker, link in description, and we're gonna be editing this video together. It's super easy. They've still got like a Christmas theme going on. So essentially, I'm gonna open up the app, right? When I open up the app, we're able to actually go ahead and just press the plus down here at the bottom. And I can actually go ahead and tap my my sample clip, which is that one. And I can actually just press the tick in the bottom right, which imports it, right? So, boom, we've got our clip imported. Let's listen to what I'm saying and let's see what we can do.
What's going on? How's it going, YouTube? How's it going, Jack? The version of me that's editing this clip. Yep, I'm aware of you. Throw some text up in the top corner right there. I want to do.
All right, cool. So essentially, this is me giving me directions on how to edit this video, and essentially we can add some stuff based on what I'm saying. So the first thing I said is throw some text in the top right. All right, cool. Let's scroll back a bit and let's find the point where I literally exactly say that, and let's add some text.
Throw some text up in the top corner.
All right, so let's go back a little bit more. I'm about to say throw some text up in the top corner. So we can see there's a T down in the bottom right. If we click T, we have a whole bunch of headlines, subtitles, decorations, stickers, some cool stuff. I like the idea of the location and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. But just for the headline, let's actually just go ahead and put the listen preset text, and we can actually click and drag it or drag it in to actually make it a little bit smaller. And if we double click it, we can actually go ahead and delete what's already there, which says some random stuff, and we just put sample, right? Or iPhone. Why not? Let's put the word iPhone there. All right, screw it. We can actually throw iPhone. We can click it, click and hold, and we should be able to actually move it around. That's correct. We have to select it, click and hold it, and I can drag it up here to the top corner of my actual video right there. And we can press done at the bottom, click done, and just like that, if we actually scroll back in the video, just to the beginning, let's see how this looks.
What's going on? How's it going, YouTube? How's it going, Jack? The version of me that's editing this clip. Yep, I'm aware of you. Throw some text up in the top corner right there. I want to do a little tester, man. Why don't we get some music as well?
So why don't we get some music is the next kind of call to action that I've said. So let's actually go here at the end where the text disappears, and let's actually just go ahead and press the music button, which is next to the text. It looks like a little musical note, and it gives us options for music, audio, sound, and record, which I assume you can do a voiceover with the record. You could do maybe sound effects or whatever. I just want to grab the music, and I actually just want to go ahead and use this this used one, which for you guys will pop up in movie, I believe, but for me, since I've used it, this one down here, Hope, right? I just want to go ahead and tap Hope, click use, and let's actually just go ahead and tap the set start. Boom. Amazing. Awesome. Now let's press volume. Uh-oh. And bring it down to like 5% volume. Let's go, and fade in as well. Amazing. Click done. Awesome. So that was pretty intensely loud. But if we scroll back, we've just set that to fade in at the point where I say we need some music. So let's click and let's play.
Right there. I want to do a little tester, man. Why don't we get some music as well? It's a little bit quiet. Right?
There you go.
Some music in the background. And why don't you throw a couple effects on?
There you go. So I've essentially turned that music down to 5%, right? Because I don't want it to be overpowering me. I just want it in the background a little bit. And we'll be able to see all the stuff I've done a little bit closer up in a second. But essentially, what we want to do is we actually want to now go over to the point where I talk about the effects. So let's keep playing.
Tester, man. Why don't we get some music as well? It's a little bit quiet, right? I
nice.
Want some music in the background. And why don't you throw a couple effects?
Effects. Why don't you throw a couple effects on the screen is what I'm saying. So let's go down here. Let's click this particular one, the image, fade, and scream. We got a couple different types of effects. I like the shake effect. Let's throw the shake on there. Let's set the start to right there. Play.
Tester, man. Why don't we get some music as well? It's a little bit quiet,
okay.
Right? I want some music in the background. And why don't you throw a couple effects on here as well?
There you go.
So we can really, kind of test the full capabilities of this particular.
There you go. Amazing.
VMaker is my favorite.
Amazing. So let's play that again.
Really, kind of test the full capabilities.
All right, cool. So what I want to do is set the end. Oh, shit. My bad. All right, let's go back in there. Let's find the...
What's going on? How's it going, YouTube? How's it going?
Let's find the music.
The version of me that's editing this clip. Yep, I'm aware of you. Throw some text up in the top corner right there. I want to do a little tester, man. Why don't we get some music as well?
There you go. Okay, my bad. So for some reason, I moved the audio around, and I thought I messed it up, but we're okay. We're okay. Let's keep playing.
Right, I want some music in the background. And why don't you throw a couple effects on here as well?
Nice.
Just so we can really, kind of
boom.
test the full capabilities of this particular app right here.
Amazing, but the music seems to have disappeared. I'm not entirely too sure why. I definitely would like to keep that music the entire way, so I can click Hope right down here, edit, right? Click the little edit button, and then I actually want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the end and click Set End. Press OK. Now there's music throughout the entire thing. Next, finally, the final thing I want to do is try this one right here, which is the filters, right? So if we actually go over, we can see there's different filters, M1, M2, M3, M4. So I actually like M3 is nice. So I'm just going to tap that, press the little tick, which means we've added a filter. And now we can actually go ahead and export this at the top right. If we click export, we're actually going to be able to say the video size is 43.7 megabytes, save to album, awesome. And now what's going to do is it's going to export this particular video right here, and then we can actually go ahead and watch what we've just created in the photo album after this. And look at this. I like the export. It literally builds a line all the way around the video until it's kind of built this white square around the video, this white frame, if you will. And then that is essentially rendered or exported, if you will. And essentially we've created a video entirely using a mobile video editing software, a free mobile video editing software. It says the file was saved to the album. We can click home. We can go over here to photos. We can find it, and we can actually click it, and let's press play.
What's going on? How's it going, YouTube? How's it going, Jack? The version of me that's editing this clip. Yep, I'm aware of you. Throw some text up in the top corner right there. I want to do a little tester, man. Why don't we get some music as well? It's a little bit quiet, right? I want some music in the background. And why don't you throw a couple effects on here as well, just so we can really, kind of test the full capabilities of this particular app right here. VMaker is my favorite mobile video editing app.
Amazing. That right there, you heard me say it with my own two lips. VMaker is the best free mobile video editor out there. You guys can download it in the description down below. You saw how quickly I just edited that out. This video can't be longer than, 10 minutes, something like that. I really hope I just saved the screen record because I just shut down the phone. It might not have saved the screen record. That's very annoying, but it is what it is. What's not annoying is how easily you guys can use this mobile video editing software, and overall, the link is in the description, or go to the App Store and just type in VMaker, and bada bing, bada boom, you guys will be greeted with the legendary mobile video editing app, aka VMaker. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys over on VMaker in about 30 seconds. I'll be waiting. And by the way, if VMaker for some reason doesn't work out for you, whatever the case may be, it's not compatible with your phone, whatever the case may be, there's actually two videos which have actually been some of my best videos ever, some of my biggest videos ever rather, called the best video editing apps for Android and the best video editing apps for iOS. Now these both were made years ago. They were made in 2018, which obviously it's 2020 now, but funny enough, the mobile video editing app scene hasn't had that much change since these two videos. So the apps I talk about in these two videos are still the best video editing apps for Android and the best video editing apps for iOS. So I would absolutely, urge you guys, if, for some reason this video didn't satisfy you, or for some reason the app just doesn't work on your system, to go down into the description and check out, this video for iOS or this video for Android, and actually grab yourself one of these alternative best video editing apps for mobile. Because although I made the video over a year ago for both of these, two different devices, the information in these videos remains relevant to this very day. So if those didn't work out for you, hopefully these will. Link in description. And thank you guys for watching today's video. Take it easy.